Hello guys, it's Vilas reporting from Foolish United, and in this video I want to talk about Kolmården Zoo Park at Sweden. This is an amazing zoo park, and in this video I will comment why it is that in my opinion. But I must admit that I'm a coaster enthusiast mainly, so I did spend over half the day just marathoning Wildfire. And if you're a coaster enthusiast yourself and have heard about this park, you probably know about this park mainly for Wildfire, or maybe even only for Wildfire. But there's a lot of other great things not to miss here. So find out what this park had to offer in this review. This park, first of all, is amazingly landscaped. The nature around this park is absolutely beautiful. The trees, bushes, rocks everywhere. The location of it. There's so much terrain. It's so hilly, this park. Some places you will have beautiful view from the sea on top of a hill. That is just amazing already. The nature itself is enough to make this an experience. But other than that, we also have all the animals. Most of the animals even seem to have so much space because this park is huge, so they definitely have room for the space to all the animals. And that's a thing that I really prioritize going to zoos. I think that's important to give the animals the space that they need, and it really seems like most of them get it. There's some exceptions here. For example, the dolphins there doesn't seem to have enough space, but most of the time they do have. Then this park have some amazing playground areas also for the kids to enjoy. They also have some rides other than just Wildfire. They have a children's area which is themed to a Swedish character called Bamse. Great theming here. I will think if you're standing in the middle of this area, it will look like you're in an actual theme park and not a zoo. One ride not to miss here is Safari, the Sky Rider here. It's a gondola, and I think the ride takes about 30 minutes or so. It is incredibly long. You have beautiful views throughout the ride, and view of the savannah with animals there. And yeah, it seems like they're just living the wildlife, and you're just going and that gondola ride, watching them. They have so much space. It is so natural, and it is absolutely incredible. But of course, the main reason I'm here to talk about this park is because of Wildfire. I got to ride this amazing RMC wooden coasters 18 times. Find out now why this is an amazing coaster.
En packningslista för att undvika just sådana.
Still incredible nature, and still no clue of Wildfire.
Nope.
And then slightly more walk, and that is peeking through the treetops.
Och höjd över havet.
It's so good looking.
For anyone watching, this is our first ride in the very back row, but on the coaster in general. We haven't ridden it yet. Are you ready for this? No. First ride on Wildfire. Oh my god! Look at the fucking view, dude. 6 years. Look to the left. It's so beautiful. 6 years you waited. 6 years. 6 years.
6 fucking years. Oh, these elements are absolutely huge.
Okay, here we go, boys. Here we go. Oh, battles. Okay. Damn. This is it. Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa. Let's go.
That was amazing.
That was not disappointing, right?
Nope.
Nothing. So, airtime strength is not as high as Untamed, but nonetheless, it's still strong ejector airtime.
Yep.
Yeah.
I think my shirt approved that.
Yeah. Oh, you got up?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Also, great whip moments and some positive forces. Really smooth with still a nice wood rattle I really like. Perfect.
Okay, that was Wildfire.
What?
Yeah. It's amazing, right?
It's really good.
Yeah.
It's not disappointing. So much great airtime. It isn't like on the strength of Untamed, but it doesn't matter because it's still really strong ejector airtime in several places, and it's so fun. All the elements are so great. There's a lot of variety. It's really smooth while still having a little really nice coaster rattle that makes it better. And it was running fast. It was on first ride, but it was running really fast. I'm not disappointed. It was better than I expected. It's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect first ride of the day, and we'll speed up even more towards tonight.
Yeah. And I'm so excited for that because already that ride was amazing. Yeah, it's definitely one of the best coasters I've ridden. I love it so much. So much airtime, so many good elements. And it's different, so different from Untamed because this one is a lot more focused on positives also, and also variety. My favorite element might just be what is it?
The outer bang
You
wave
just
turn.
knew it was that because that was amazing.
That was my favorite.
That is
element
really
as
good.
well.
Yeah, so good. I love this ride so much. Many more rides to come.
Oh yeah. Vil du ikke så fed, du He's calling me fat, and we're on Wildfire.
Yeah. He's not as fat as I'm, but he's really kind of fat.
No. Anyway, we're on Wildfire. We're on the second to front row. I tried to do a rider cam here before, but I almost dropped the GoPro, so this is the second try. And we love this coaster, right?
No, it's okay.
It's almost as good as Goldie's Talket, the Zero here. Kidding, of course. But yeah, this is our sixth ride. We love this ride, and let's see how strong this airtime is.
Let's see who's getting spotted for Frederick.
Yeah, spot Frederick in the background. Here we go! Front row or back row?
I think I don't know. I might say back row actually.
Okay, yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know. Positives, negatives, not negatives, but positives for both.
Yeah. Definitely a hard choice for sure.
Fucking amazing no matter where I sit.
Yeah, so strong as well.
Okay, that was another ride on this beautiful wooden coaster. That was so much better. I'm blown away this time. Yeah. First ride, I thought that this is amazing, but this ride I'm completely blown away, speechless on the brake run. Wow. Yeah.
I was like, okay, that's a quick credit, no line. I can get on right now and loading it. I thought, sure.
If you look up at the cliffs, you will soon see some of the world's mountain climbers.
From the sign.
but also
Yeah,
with chlor.
They added a lot of salt in. When they built it, they added like 4 tons of salt into the water.
The presentation of Wildfire is insane. The way you walk down there, the park is so huge. We was walking for, probably 15 minutes or so before we even had a clue of Wildfire. And then it was there, towering over the trees. Beautiful, beautiful ride. It might just be the most beautiful roller coaster that I have seen in my entire life. The raid follows the terrain, looks so great from the outside. Some of the elements is like a big journey through the forest, and then it comes back to that a more compact section towards the end of the ride. Absolutely amazing to look at. I kind of regret that I didn't watch it more before going on it, just to hype myself up for this amazing coaster. But yeah, when you're on the actual ride here, the view will be absolutely incredible. Going up that hill, if you look to your left, you'll be able to see the sea from an amazing angle. And it is also super tall. The ride is only because it's still pretty tall, 56 meters tall. However, the view over the sea would be 140 meters, and the sea is pretty close to you, so it feels a lot taller than it is. Then I want to talk about some of the elements here, because the first 3 elements is absolutely incredible and some of the best coaster elements you can experience in Europe. The first drop here is absolutely amazing in the back row especially, but it's good in every row. It's just the back row will give you that extra pull down the drop. The COG stall here is amazing also. You get some really good whip into it. I love looking up, going over that COG road, because then you will see the entire structure and see the ground down below. It is so much fun. Then the outer bank is also incredible. It whips you into that element, and you will get some really, really strong ejector air time. While you have the amazing view also of the sea, you can look while experiencing this element. It's incredible. The 3 first elements are definitely the highlight for me, but the entire ride is great. Then it's transitioned into a part that have some amazing, good, pretty strong ejector airtime moments, some good lateral moments also. My shirt definitely approved that on the GoPro. And yeah, the ride is just overall amazing with all these elements. The first section, they have these huge elements. The second section with these smaller but still great airtime moments. Also the 2 inversions here. The second one is a pretty hang time filled good one. The third one is aggressive. I love both of these inversions. The last part though is a little bit slower, but that's all good. The ride is overall absolutely amazing. Okay, so that was everything from this video. I really hope you enjoyed this review, and I'm sorry that I couldn't go to more details about the animals, but I just love Wildfire so much, so I just felt like spending most of the day riding that thing over and over again. But I highly encourage you to go experience this park for yourself if you ever get the chance, because the entire park is amazing, and Wildfire is, in my opinion, one of the best coasters in Europe. So, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye guys.